Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Coffee and Candlesticks. In these videos, we use HighBlock to showcase market insights and analysis. This is edition 7 being recorded on April 5th, 2022. Before we get started, I'd like to say that this is not financial advice. Everything I say and show in this video is for educational purposes only. Also, if you have not already, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get real-time updates. You can also follow us on Discord and Twitter to get more information on our product. You can find the links on the bottom of our homepage, and I'll post these links to both these channels in the video notes below. We'll be starting off by going through a few new indicators that have not yet been discussed on our channel, so we hope you find them useful. Starting with the user bot ratio. This indicator compares the number of users versus the number of bots on the BitMEX exchange. Right now, I'm on a higher time frame, and the indicator is showing that recently bots have been increasing at a faster rate than users. Looking at the past at the same scenario, price tends to go up when we see this occur. And price went up. On the other hand, when users are increasing faster than bots, for example, right here, price tends to then go down. Zooming in to the next new indicator, we'll look at WBTC mint and burn. During the price drop in early March, right here, there was an increase in the WBTC minting. Since then, price has steadily increased with little to no change in the amount of WBTC minted or burned. To this chart, I'll add our next indicator, which is called leaderboard notional profit. That's under indicators, sentiment, leaderboard notional profit. This indicator shows us the total profits made by the BitMEX leaderboard, which is interestingly the lowest year to date. We zoom out, we can see the profits at the lowest point. Moving on to indicators that we look at more frequently, we'll start off with CVD. Retail or small orders in orange versus whale or large orders in blue were both moving in the same direction until the end of March, where CVD for large orders started to sell heavily. This is also apparent in the monthly buys and sells volume profile, because even though price is back to around the midpoint of the monthly range, the graph is skewed towards larger red bars, which is selling activity, versus green bars, which is buying activity. And speaking of selling, we should keep an eye out for this large amount of shorts that entered on April 1st. It may be an important area for support or resistance in the future. When looking at the liquidation levels for Binance, short-term liq levels are showing slightly more short liquidation levels than long liquidation levels. Finally, on the FTX correlation scanner with the 7-day look back, the market is not as positively correlated as we're used to seeing. This can be seen from the increase in red and light blue areas on the chart, especially if compared to the 30-day look back, right here. So that was all for this week's edition of Coffee and Candlesticks. Hope that this was helpful. If you have any feedback, drop us a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.